Hi and welcome back to another review. As you can see, we've got another pair of trainers. I'm not going to flip it over because my address is on the other side. But as you can see, they've come in a standard bag. There's some bubble wrap actually around here, which is obviously going to keep them nice and secure. Or the box, it'll keep the box in this better condition. Really excited to see these ones, so hopefully you'll enjoy this video. Delivery time was 15 days, and that's 15 days from when they sent me the QC photos. That's the quality check photos. I then got the tracking, I think it was a day after, but it's 15 days from receiving the photos. So that's really impressive. All details for the seller can be found in the description as always. I try and obviously show you where I get them from, so you can make the decision then if you are interested. So what we'll do is we'll undo this bag, and then we'll have the first glimpse at these trainers. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as I do reviews like this on a weekly basis. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below. Any messages, I'll always respond. So yeah, let's get this bag open. Okay, now we've got it out of the bag. Actually, I can see that it's all bubble wrapped, which is really impressive. FireSnkr have done really well with that. It's nice because it keeps the box in better condition. So just jumping around the box, oh, there's the detail of what the trainer is. So it's the Air Jordan high tops, and these ones are my size. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to undo the bubble wrap with one hand before we take a look at the trainer. Yeah, I think I can do it. It's actually an easier box to do because it's just a lid. So oh, there we have, we've got a discount code as well. So some details for you there. So all this information will be left in the description of the video. But let's give you the first look before we get the trainers out. And there we have it. So what I'll do is I'll get the trainers out properly, I'll put them on top of the box, and then we'll have a look around each one. And here we have the trainers outside the box now. Come with quite a few laces. Got this one, which is like a browny colour. We've got red, we've got pink, and we've got white. And they're all attached to this tag here. So we'll start with this trainer. We'll just give it the look around the front. Try and move the laces out of the way for a little bit. Night tip looks nice. We've got the Air Jordan logo there. Move to the back. Oh, I do like the cactus jack there. That night tip looks really nice. Looking at the bottom of the grip. Grip looks fine on there. Let's jump inside the inner part of the shoe. Oh, it's even got another pair of laces there, so we've got a black pair as well. So that's handy. And you can see down there it says men's size 11.5, and that is a US size, so these are going to be a UK 10.5. But no, that looks really nice, and the texture feels really good. So if you look at the Nike Air Cactus Jack on the front. All our details from Nike. So that trainer looks really tidy. So what we'll do then, we'll flip around and we'll have a look at the second one in a second. Okay, we'll now have a look at the second trainer. Hopefully this one looks as good as the first one. So the night tick looks spot on. A little bit of stitch and loose. Well, no, I was gonna say I thought there was an issue there, but it's not. I think that's probably just the way it is. I've just noticed there's the cactus jack in white hidden there. Around the back, And there's the Air Jordan logo. It's a really nice look at the Air Jordan logo. I wasn't too sure on the colour of these for a start, being the darker Mocha sort of colour, but actually I think it looks really nice. Let's have a look at the grip underneath, which again looks absolutely spot on. Let's have a look inside the shoe. Again, another pair of black laces. All your details. Oh, we've got the Cactus Jack in there as well. Again, men's size 11.5, but as I said, that is a US size, so for me this is a UK 10.5. So I think they look really smart. I think I might stick to the black laces. The red would be a bit out there, so I think black. Brown I'm not too convinced by. Definitely not going to go pink. So I think I will go black. Yeah, so what I'm going to do as always is I'll now get these laced up. I'll wear them for the next couple of days around the house, and then I will come back and I'll give you an update. But as a reminder, the details of the seller can be found in the description of this video. It is FireSnkr.ru. Sneaker is SNKR. But I said all details will be in the description of this video, and there's also a discount code MatthewCX, which is this YouTube channel, which will give you $15 off your purchase. So what I'm going to do is get these laced up, go away for a couple of days, and I'll be back and I'll give you an update on how the trainers feel. So I've been wearing these now for the last few days around the house, and they're really comfy. It's actually the first pair of high tops I've had myself. You'll have seen I did a video a little while back where I got some from my partner. But these are the first ones that I've worn, and they are really comfy. I wasn't actually expecting them to be as comfy because I'm so used to wearing shoes that are the lower ones, but these are really nice and supportive around the ankle. So top marks for me. I really do like the colour as well. The grip on them is fantastic. So I've only worn them around the house at the moment because I prefer to do that just so that I keep them nice and clean for this channel, because at the moment the weather in the UK is not the greatest, so if I was to take them out then these would obviously get really filthy straight away. So happy with these. The seller is FireSnkr, and all the details for the seller can be found in the description. There is a discount code as well which will get yourself $15 off any of their trainers, not just these ones. So totally worth having a look, and if you are interested, use that code because every penny saved helps at the moment. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm really enjoying doing these trainer ones, and I've got a few more lined up as well coming along, because it's nice to have a look at them, and it's again really impressive to see how you can buy some of these top range trainers at a fraction of the price. So yeah, definitely check out FireSnkr. If you are new around here, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll always respond. I think I've got anything else to say apart from love these shoes. So again, thank you very much for watching everyone, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.